Hello everyone, this is Christian from Ion Audio. Today, I will be showing you how to connect your Bluetooth device and record your music to tape, USB, or SD card with the Ion Audio Retro Rocker. You have a few options for an audio source and a couple of options for a recording destination, so we will be breaking down this video into 3 sections. First, we will connect a Bluetooth device. Then, we're going to set up the Retro Rocker to record audio to a tape cassette. Finally, we will set it up to record to a USB or SD card. Let's get started. Before we begin recording, let's go over how to pair your Retro Rocker to your Bluetooth device, since this process will be the same for playback and recording to a tape cassette. Adjust the function switch on the Retro Rocker to the Bluetooth position. Make sure to disconnect any USB drives or SD cards. The Retro Rocker will prioritize the USB or SD card if inserted, so you will not be able to connect to a Bluetooth device if they are connected. Turn on your Bluetooth device. Navigate to your Bluetooth device's setup screen. Find Retro Rocker and connect. A voice prompt will be heard saying Bluetooth pairing and Bluetooth connected when connected to your Bluetooth device. Press and hold the play/pause button to disconnect from a paired Bluetooth device. A voice prompt will be heard saying Bluetooth disconnected. Most cassettes feature a protective plastic strip which, when removed, will not allow any recording to be made to the cassette. When the plastic strip has been removed, the Retro Rocker's record button will not function when attempting to record to the cassette. To record to a cassette which no longer has a plastic strip, use adhesive tape to cover the strip opening. Press stop eject to open the cassette holder. Insert a blank tape and close the cassette holder. Set the function switch to tape. Press the record button to start recording. To stop recording, press stop eject. Set the function switch to radio. Set the band switch to the desired frequency band. Adjust the tune dial to select a radio station. Extend and adjust the antenna for best reception. Press the record button to start recording. To stop recording, press stop eject. Set the function switch to BT, USB, SD. Turn on your Bluetooth device. See the first section of this video to connect your device to the Retro Rocker. Play your Bluetooth track, and press the cassette record button to record to the tape. To stop recording, press stop eject. Before we begin recording some music into a USB or SD card, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Only use either a USB flash drive or an SD card at a time, but not both when recording. The unit may not record properly if both a USB and SD card are plugged in at the same time. When recording is in process, the blue light will begin to blink, and it will stop when you press the record button to finish recording. Set the function switch to USB. Insert a USB flash drive or SD card into the unit. Immediately after you hear the USB test tone, press and hold the record button for 2 seconds to start recording. The light will begin to flash blue. Press and hold the record button to stop recording. The recorded audio will then play back automatically. The light will stop flashing when it's no longer recording. Set the function switch to radio. Set the band switch to the desired frequency band. Adjust the tune dial to select a radio station. Extend and adjust the antenna for best reception. To start recording, press and hold the record button. Press and hold the record button to stop recording. Press the stop eject button to open the cassette holder. Insert a tape and close the cassette holder. Set the function switch to tape and press play to play back the song you want to record. To start recording, press and hold the record button. Press and hold the record button to stop recording. If you still require additional assistance, please visit the link at the bottom of this article to submit a support request or connect with one of our technical support representatives.